Recorded Books presents an unabridged recording of The Mysterious Universe. Supernovae, Dark Energy, and Black Holes by Ellen Jackson, narrated by Brian Keeler and directed by Kara Goldsmith.
Introduction. You've probably heard that the universe is big, but do you have any idea just how big it is? Chances are you're reading this book somewhere in North America on the planet Earth, but Earth is not the largest object in the solar system. Our sun is a star, a blazing fireball much, much larger than Earth. In fact, the sun is so huge that if it were a gumball machine, 1 million gumball-size Earths could fit inside it. But some stars are enormous compared to our sun. Next to them, our sun would look like a small speck. Scientists have recently discovered 3 supergiant stars that could each hold more than 1 billion suns. Even these stars are only tiny points of light in a larger group. On a clear, moonless night, if you lie on a grassy hillside far from the city lights and gaze upward, you'll see thousands of stars like pale fireflies winking against the silent dome of space. Most of these belong to our own Milky Way galaxy, a vast island of gas, dust, and stars. We can see only a part of the Milky Way galaxy from Earth, but if you could go far, far out into space and look back, you would see a thrilling sight, an immense pinwheel of 100 billion stars with a bulge in the middle. Our sun would be a tiny dot on the outskirts, like a house in the suburbs tucked away from the traffic jam in the city. If you could watch for 250 million years, you would see this mighty pinwheel turn once on its axis. The Milky Way is not alone in the universe. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble, the astronomer for whom the Hubble Space Telescope is named, discovered that a fuzzy patch in the sky was actually another galaxy very similar to our own. Astronomers soon noticed that this newfound galaxy, the Milky Way, and 2 or 3 dozen neighboring galaxies were all zooming through space in a group, like a galactic motorcycle gang. And that's not all. Looking outward, astronomers have estimated that more than 100 billion other galaxies, or clusters of galaxies, are strung across the visible universe like a lacy spiderweb. This web of galaxies is the largest structure known, an awesome spectacle at the threshold of our understanding. But like a web...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?